Hello YouTubers, here we have a Hunter original from the year 1992, the serial number. This is a 5-blade Hunter original. Looks like it's using a 1.5 foot long downrod. Fan is fully complete, canopy blades. Switch cover, which I added. This fan originally had a light kit. I don't like shipping light kits, so no light kit with the fan, but I'll give you a switch cover. It does come with a grommet and a E-bolt. This is going to be an eBay fan. Overall, I'd say it's probably a 9 or 8 out of 10. It's in very good shape. Blades have some minor scratching. I think only 2 blades have some major scratches. You can see that one there. Johnson looks like it's a pencil or something like that, but you can probably get that taken care of. And where's the other one? One of these other blades had some minor deals right there. Like I said, nothing too major. Yeah, let's go ahead and start this fan off on low. High, medium, low. The low speed on this fan is very aesthetic. And since it's 1992, this is the American-made motor. It's a very good fan. I've checked the amperage. It draws right on. We're supposed to be drawing 2 amps. Low speed is, like I said, very aesthetic, mainly for looks. Fan runs quiet. I have balanced the blades out. The blades were originally all kind of drooping down, so I have taken the liberty of getting the brackets bent back to where they need to be. So everything is nice and in shape. Let's go ahead and go to medium. Off, high, medium. Medium speed, I already get a good breeze off it. It is a Hunter original, so I'm not surprised. Let's go ahead and go to high. High speed, as you see, takes right off. Blades are perfectly balanced, as you can tell. Let's go down. A bunch of air, as Hunter originals usually do. This one more so because it is on the longer down rod. Let's go ahead and just spin down. And I'll include the chain tassel if anyone's interested when they buy the fan. I have no need for it. I've actually got multiples of the same tassel thing. Overall, this is a nice fan. Bearings are quiet, everything runs smoothly, reverse works. Like I said, very minor issues. It could probably use a better clean out. I gave it a very quick cleaning, dusting. There is still quite a bit of dust in the top housing. That's about it. It's a little stiff. It's been sitting around for a while, but it still works just as good as new. While we have it here, let's go ahead and do a 0 to high. Beauty. Thanks for watching.